Hey, Stats people. This is a Chapter 11 video to get you guys familiar with simulations. So I pulled up some information on King James over here for the problem, and we run simulations when we try to get an idea of a bigger question that we have data for. So this question was, LeBron James shoots free throws at about a 74% rate. How many free throws do we expect to shoot before he misses one? So start by identifying what we're actually simulating. That's called a component, and we're simulating free throws. What is the response variable is the question we're going to answer after that, and that should be how many until a miss? How many free throws until a miss? Designing a simulation either involves a random integer generator or a random integer table. So the AP talks about, makes you use a table, so I'll show you that first. The table will be, since we're looking at a 74% rate, we have to consider double digits. And that means we're allowing, we have to assign digits, so 74% of digits, so 00 to 73. We will, in the simulation, is going to represent a good free throw. And then that's 74 through 74 to 99 would be a miss. So a simulation, we're assigning numbers to represent things. So if you have 0 double zeros to 73, that's a good free throw. 74 to 99, that's a miss. What we're going to do is we're going to look at a random integer table that's provided and find out how to calculate until a miss. And I have that up. This one? No, this one. So here's a table of random numbers. So how to read this, really you could start anywhere, but I'm just going to start on the first line. If you look, 36, 51, 83. So 36 we said was going to represent a good free throw. 36 was good. Next one. 51 was also good. 83 we said was not. 83 was between the 74 to 99. That would represent the miss. So this says run 10 trials. I'm only going to do a couple. So this trial the answer would be 3 until a miss. Next one, and I'll just go on the next line. I could have continued, that's fine too, but I'm going to, every trial, I'm going to start with a new line. So 46, 13, 28. All of those would have been 0 to 73, so that's a good. He made it. 46, 13, 28. And then this next one, 1380. So the 13 is another good free throw. He missed. The 80 falls in between the 74 to 99. That's miss. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 that time. That time it took, the first trial, it took him 3 shots till a miss. Second one, 5 till a miss. I'll do one more just to prove a point. 31 to 84. 31 represents a good free throw. And then I think it's at 84. There we go. 84 is a miss. So that time it only took him 2 shots till he miss. Generally speaking, at that point, have some type of representative statistic. Like I'm just going to say to average 352 divided by 3, 10 divided by 3 would be 3.3 repeating. So when it says summary, I'd say on average, we expect to wait until the third or fourth, because that is over 3, third or fourth free throw until LeBron misses. That's a simulation to represent an actual scenario. Obviously, with more, if you run more trials, you'll get a better idea. Okay. A random integer generator is another way to do that on the calculator. Menu, probability, and you can go random integer. You have to say the lowest number it could possibly be. In our last one, it was 0, 0. And the highest, I said 9, 9. And then you just want a lot of numbers. So I'll just say like 10 numbers. Now I might ignore a bunch of them. Well, actually in this one, I'll ignore almost all of them because in this scenario, he missed the first shot. He misses the second shot. He made the third, made the fourth, made the fifth, made the sixth, seventh, eighth, and then missed that one. So you could do it again and run a new trial. Also, no reason to pay attention to double digits in this one. You could actually start with 1 to, and then go all the way to 100, but then that would adjust. So like 1 to 74 would be good, and 75 to 100 would be a missed free throw. Okay, same deal. No reason you really had to have that last number is 10. If you wanted 12, that's fine. Anyways, that's another way that we'll use that in class. Okay, OC out.